Alright, relations and functions. A function is a special relation in which each element of the domain is paired with exactly one element of the range. To determine whether a relation is a function, list the domain and range of the relation and make sure that each member of the domain pairs up with only one value of the range. Alright, now domain and range. Domain is a list of all the x values. Okay? The range is a list of all our y values. Okay. Another method to apply the vertical line test. So if we have a graph, we want a vertical line. If we go through 2 points in one vertical line, vertical is up and down. So move your pencil or straight edge from left to right of the graph in every relation. If it passes through no more than 1 point on the graph at any given time, then we have a function. If it does intersect more than 1 point, then it is not a function. Alrighty. Determine whether each relation is a function and explain. Alright, so here is the set of points here. So I look at -10, so x and y. So when I have -10, that means I get a -34. Now we list what they did. These are in order, but sometimes they're not in order. But we go from least to greatest here. So -10, 0, 10, 20. That's how they're listed here. So if -10 goes to -34, 0 is going to take me to -22. And 10 goes to -9. And 20 goes to 3. Now, sometimes they're not in order like this. Sometimes we'll have a, excuse me, this set of values, these input values here, domain and range. The arrows sometimes go like this, down here, and then maybe we cross, okay? So you never know. So because each element of the domain is paired with only one value of the range, this is a function. So what that means is if I go back to my little drawing over here, and I have my domain and range here, and I have something like this, like that. So that means I have a 3, say, and it goes to 1 and 5. This is not a function. Okay? Right, it's not a function because we're splitting 3 off. So think about this. Alright, think about the domain is people and range is rooms. So if I am in the math room, that makes sense. If I'm in the math room and I'm in the science room, that does not make any sense. Alright, we're not having any out-of-body experiences. So it is a function when one person, one room. Okay. Now it could be a function here if I have this. Now, can we have 3 people in one room at the same time? Sure. As long as it's not like a closet or something. Sure. All right. Here we have a graph here, and we're going to move a vertical line or straight edge across here. And we move along left to right, and whoop, what happens here when I have a semi-straight line? Well, I connect at 2 spots. So this is not a function. Okay?